From the Yemen Data Project. 1. September was the cruelest month, with unguided cluster munitions dispensing tennis ball-sized bombs against soft-skinned targets. But the shrapnel spinning sky is impartial as to the month. 2. Serwa, a key stop on the incense route, where we found a plinth from the sanctuary of the Queen of Sheba, was the most bombarded district, with 1,101 airstrikes and rising. 3. The pivot table shows 55 rows, beginning with the word civilians. Farm, houses, truck, bus, boat, gathering, vehicle carrying vegetables, and Abdullah al-Hassani's house up in the hills in Siha, leveled on the 5th of August 2015. 4. Other targets beginning with the letter C: celebration stage, cement tanker, cemetery, central jail, central organization for control and accounting, chicken farm, clinic, Coca-Cola factory, community college, cornfields with sightings of white drones, cotton processing factory, court, crossing bridge, cultural hall, customs. 5. On the last Thursday of September 2015, in a wedding ceremony in the port city of Mocha, on the Red Sea, where the prized olive-colored coffee beans were shipped abroad, 80 fertilities were triangulated, 32 women, 38 children, but the time of day is unknown. 6. Most of the time of day is unknown. But if known, it takes place at midday, when the sun bleaches away the fallen concrete blocks, loose wires, burnt faces, or hands of those without faces. 7. Quote, when a report does not note whether any fatalities occurred or not, or notes that it is unknown whether fatalities occurred at all, it defaults to coding 0 as the fatality estimate.